have a mystery box. What is it? I have no idea. That's why I named it a mystery box. Let's open the mystery box. I'm gonna try to put this open. Oh, this. Whoa!
Wait a minute. 3 of them? 3 multiple rocket launchers?
1, 3 comes in that one. 3 plus 3 is 6, and we have 9 rockets.
Oh man, actually, yeah, because there's 3 of them. 3 times 3 is 9. This is cool. Let's take a look. Multiple rocket launcher. Watch it soar. So it's got a little step thing that you stomp on, and it shoots out rockets. All right, I gotta see what this does.
Yep, we have to. Let's open the first one. Oh, that's a lot of pieces. The rockets.
Oh, those are cool. They're kind of like giant Nerf bullets. All right,
You're out.
let's set it up and test it out.
Well, this is odd. Look, 3, but then there's 3 more.
Oh, there's 6 in each box. So yeah, that means you have. So what's 6 times 3?
I don't know.
18.
We have
18 of
18
those.
rockets.
All right, cool.
Well, look how big this is.
Is that the Stomper?
Yeah. Let me try to stop one. Why?
Oh yeah. All right, let's. Want some help getting this out? What are those things?
Oh, they're the legs.
Oh, the legs for this thing.
What a weird
All right.
legs.
Yeah, let's attach the legs, attach the tube, and get the stomping.
And the final piece. Is it already done?
Yeah, that's it. Shove it in there. All right. And then these go in on top of there.
Well, I'm gonna try them.
It's one.
Oh,
Actually, I think only the first one fires. We'll see. All right. Just.
wait a minute. The cool feature, you can actually aim it.
That's cool. You ready?
1, 2.
Oh,
That thing's just-
oh man. Oh man. Oh, that's cool.
It's gonna shoot over there like 500 foot. Let me see how high it can go.
Really high.
How high can it go? Oh, yeah, the red instructions.
I mean, it was so easy to assemble. We didn't even need these instructions.
Oh, yeah!
Leo is sleeping. Hopefully we don't wake him up. All right. I don't think Leo is amused.
Prepare to be shot by air. And last rocket.
All right, we're aiming it this time.
Arms away.
Nice.
Literally shooting it back.
This thing is pretty fun. you have fun? Alright, we are outside.
Yep.
And ready to launch these rockets. Alright, let me get back.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. Whoa! Things went high. Oh man. Whoa. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna climb up there and get those. We might have to use this little broom.